Being a software engineer, I was always interested in blockchain and all its related technologies, such as cryptocurrency, NFTs, smart contracts, and even metaverses potentially in the future. Anyways, I learned about how NFT lending works, and I did a recent video about it. So please check that out if you're not sure what that is. So yesterday, I went on the NFTfi website and I made my first loan offer against a specific NFT, and the loan terms were, pay me back in 30 days, a certain number of Ethereum, and the APR, the interest rate, annual interest rate, was 50%. So in 30 days, that's about 4.2% or something like that. So that person took the deal, and now the Ethereum is out of my wallet into his wallet, and hopefully he pays me back. If he doesn't, then I'll be taking his NFT and try to sell it in the market because his NFT is put up as collateral. So in this video, I'm going to take you through all the journeys I took. I was a complete beginner. So I'm going to talk about all the way from how to create a wallet, and then how to connect that wallet on the NFTfi website. And then you can go and make your own loan offers and see what happens. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Before you do anything on these apps, you need to have a wallet. Wallets are where you store your multiple cryptocurrencies and your NFTs. They also act as your ID on these apps, where you can connect the wallet and you can start lending out money, for example, on NFTfi. That's just one of the apps that you can use. I highly recommend using MetaMask. So what I did was first downloaded the Chrome browser extension of MetaMask, and then you can create an account on MetaMask. And then next, you want to click on this buy button, and then you can basically buy some Ethereum and put it into your wallet. You can either do bank transfer or you can pay with a debit or credit card. After that, you want to click on this button to swap some Ethereum to W Ethereum. That's wrapped Ethereum. Basically, when you want to lend out money, you're lending out money in WETH. You want to leave some money in the Ethereum. You don't want to swap everything. That's because there are some fees that you have to pay when you're making these the loan deals. So you want to leave maybe like $100 US dollars in there. Otherwise, swap everything into WETH, because this is the main currency that you're going to be lending out and getting the repayment back. The exchange rate between ETH and the WETH is 1-to-1. It's always going to be 1-to-1, so you don't have to worry about it. There are some technicalities that require WETH to be used rather than the vanilla Ether. Once you create your wallet, you need to connect that wallet to the NFTfi dApp. dApp is just a term for decentralized apps, so you can just consider it as just another app. The first thing you need to do is go to the NFTfi.com website, and then on the top right-hand corner, you're going to see a button, Open dApp. You click on that, and then it's going to open up in a new tab. And then you're going to, again, find on the top right corner, you're going to see Connect Wallet button. You want to click on that, and then you're going to see a pop-up showing up in MetaMask Chrome extension. If it doesn't, then you have to manually open the MetaMask extension and then try to find it. Once you see the pop-up message, there's going to be a big connect button, which you can click, and you can finally connect your wallet that way. How do you disconnect? Just open the MetaMask extension, and then here's your wallet, and then there's going to be a ... menu button. Open that, and then you're going to see connected sites. Click on this, and then you're going to see list of connected sites, and then you can just disconnect whichever app that you want to disconnect. Once you connect the wallet, now you can make a loan offer. I'm going to show you an example screen that I'm going to go through after this slide, but we're going to quickly go through the steps. First, you're going to have to click on the menu called Give a New Loan. And then once you get routed to a page where you see a whole bunch of NFTs listed, you need to pick one NFT and then click on that to see the details. So basically, this NFT becomes the collateral in the loan deal. And then in the NFT details page, you're going to be able to see all different kinds of metrics, and then you're going to do some analysis on whether this NFT is suitable for you to make a loan offer. First, you want to check the current price and the floor price of the NFT. I'll show you the screen and then explain what that is. Check the transactions on the NFT just to make sure there has been some deals happening and this NFT was actively being sold in the past. Check the borrower's lending history. This is very important. Check the borrower's desired loan terms. So when they list their NFT that they owned, they have the option to show what kind of loan terms that they desire. So you can take a look at that. And then also check the currently existing loan offers against that NFT. Check their amounts and the interest rate, their annual interest rate as well. And then finally, you can make an offer on that NFT details page. So now I'm going to share the screen and show you how that's done. Yeah, let's go over how we can make that loan offer. So what you do is you want to click on this open dApp. It's going to open up in a new tab, and then right away I'm already connected to the wallet, but there will be a connect wallet button here. So you can click on that and connect your wallet, and then mouse over here, click on give a new loan, and you're going to see a whole bunch of different NFTs. These NFTs, they have what's called collections. So all these similar images, they belong to this collection called Neo Tokyo Citizen. Collections typically have like hundreds of different NFTs in them, but they all tend to look very similar. And for example, we have this Mutant Ape Yacht Club and things like that. And all the NFTs within the collection seem to be quite similar in price. So if I click on this, oh, this is a really expensive NFT. So for this one, if we want to click here and look at the transactions, we can see all the transaction history of this NFT. And it was transferred for 0 NFT. I guess this is the first transaction since it was created. So this is a bad example. There has been no transaction after that. So this is the kind of NFT that I want to typically avoid. It's too new and there's no record of it ever being traded between people. So even if the owner of the NFT claims that this is very expensive NFT, for example, 5 or 6 ethers, that would be roughly about, I don't know, 2,000 times 6. So like, I don't know, $12,000 US dollars. So that's really expensive. I don't trust that, and I'll probably not give a loan for that, to be honest. So if we take a look at some other ones, such as this one, for example, this seems pretty decently priced. So this is about, let's say, 700, 800 US dollars. And then if you click on this here, Etherscan, this gives you all the history of transactions that happen against this NFT on the blockchain. And we have 4 transactions. So right away, there has been some activity. So that's pretty good. So this is the point at which it was minted, it was created. And then we've got some transfers. This is the from wallet address to wallet address. So the owners are being changed. So if I click on this one, for example, it was transferred for 1.1 Ether. So basically this wallet sold it to this wallet for 1.1 Ether. So there has been some trades happening with this NFT. So that's a pretty good sign. You want to find active NFTs because just in case when you have to foreclose on the loan and you collect the collateral, you want to just go to the market and sell it. Unless you want to hold on to the NFT. I don't want to. So I want to just go to the OpenSea is the marketplace where you can sell the NFT. So you can look at the currently listed price of this NFT, which is at 1.2 Ether. That's the owner's desired selling price. That doesn't mean it's going to be sold at that price. There are other offers that are being made by other people, and it's much cheaper than 1.2. So obviously people don't think this is as expensive as the owner trying to sell. And the owner can also specify the floor price. So that's the difference between market price and the current price and the floor price. So floor price is basically the owner saying, I'm not willing to trade below this price. But yeah, people are putting below the floor price anyway. So yeah, you can find out the current price of the NFT, and then you can also take a look at the desired terms by the NFT owner when the NFT owner listed this NFT on an NFTfi app. So the person wants 2,000 US dollars for 180 days. That's roughly about 6 months. And the repayment will be 2,147. So that's decent interest rate, but it's considered really low for NFT lending. So there are offers being made. So as you can see, these can range from, like, if you look at the APR, there's 1%, there's 78%. So it ranges quite a bit. Like, people are just throwing random offers right now. So the market is, in general, this NFT lending market is quite inefficient, I would say, because it's all over the place. So you can definitely take advantage of the inefficiency in the market. And also the owner information, if you look at it here, this person has no history of borrowing and repaying. So I would consider that also risky as well. So those are some of the things that you can find out about the NFT and the borrower. And if you want to make an offer, you can finally Click here to fill in the form automatically with the desired terms from the owner, or you can put in your own amounts. And then basically you just make an offer. When you make an offer though, the MetaMask is gonna pop up and it's gonna basically ask you to sign. Well, the first time you use this app, NFTfi app, it's gonna ask you to set the limit, spending limit from your wallet for this app. So you want to set that to like as high as possible, like the maximum number that you have in your wallet, maximum budget. Once you've done that, then this app can take any amount of money from your wallet and send it to the borrower's wallet when the borrower takes the offer. So you just want to set that as maximum. And then that's the first thing that you have, that it's gonna, MetaMask is gonna pop up and you have to sign that. And then next, when you make an offer, then it's gonna ask you to sign for that offer as well. And then, so you basically have to go through 2 pop-ups in the beginning. Once you get comfortable with making NFT lending deals for individual NFTs, then you can scale your operation with what's called standing collection offers. This is also coming from NFTfi. And what this is basically, as the lender, make a loan offer against an entire collection of NFTs. Remember, I showed you like similar images that belong to the same collection. Instead of making a loan offer against one specific NFT, you can make an offer to the entire collection. And you would basically make the offer in a similar manner as if you're making the offer to a specific NFT. So you specify the amount that you're comfortable with, and then you specify the interest rate and the days, number of days in the loan term. And all owners of that collection will see the loan offer. So all the owners that own all those individual NFTs within that collection, they're going to see this loan offer that you listed. And any of these NFT owner can take the offer and stake their own specific NFT. And when a loan is taken like this, it becomes a one-to-one deal between you and the borrower. So even though your loan offer was made against the collection itself, you have to keep in mind that you're really just making a loan offer to any of the NFT in that collection. And then once somebody takes that offer, then it just becomes a one-to-one matching, as if you made the offer, loan offer, to that specific NFT in the first place. The loan offer itself does not disappear once the deal is made using SEO. It will be standing and it will be open, and borrowers can continue to take your offer as long as you have the budget, you have the funds in your wallet to keep on, lending out the money. So this is a convenient way for you to scale your operation. Basically, you verify that this NFT lending works, and you want to put a whole bunch of money in there into your wallet, and you want to lend out to multiple people like simultaneously. Then you can do that against a whole collection. So if you've decided to scale your operation and you want to make a loan offer against entire collection, then you can do that very easily. It's very similar to the steps involved in making loan offer to a specific one NFT. All you have to do is you go to the menu and you click on standing collection offers, and then you're going to be navigated to the screen where you can see all the different types of collections. And then you pick a specific collection that you like that's within your budget. Some collections are way too expensive. And you click on that collection to see the details of it. So you go to the details page, and then on that page, there's going to be different metrics compared to the NFT details page that we saw earlier. There's going to be all different kind of metrics specifically for the entire collection. And then you want to analyze different things. So previously we were looking at, certain things to gauge the risk. Now with the collection, what you're seeing is you want to check the average price of the NFTs in that collection. And then you want to check the average loan amount that typically gets loaned out for this collection. You want to check the loan volume. You want to see a lot of activities. You don't want to be dealing with a dead collection. You want to check the average loan duration. So there could be some expected duration that people expect from this particular collection. Typically, the faster your turnover, the better. And then you want to check the default rate and to see how many people are actually defaulting on the loans. That's really important. And you also want to check the average APR. This is very critical. That's your interest rate. So what are the other lenders kind of charging to lend out money? That's pretty much everything you have to know to start lending your cryptocurrencies on NFTfi.com. I hope this video was helpful to you, and let me know down in the comments if you started, lending out your own cryptocurrency on that platform. I personally started writing some lending bot that could automatically make those loan offers for me on NFTfi. They do have an API, so you can ask for an API key if you want and join their Discord server and get some help on programming or whatnot. But yeah, it's going to be exciting. I'll be making some vlog posts to keep you guys updated on that lending bot and see what happens.